Hello everyone. On my bed, I have the entirety of my fire alarm collection. So, let's go through it. Right here I have my pull stations, 4 of them, and the 5th one's right here. This is an Edwards 278B-1110. This is a Lite BG-8. This is a SIG C270B. Right here's my first ever pull station, my Kidda K270 SPO. I took the sticker off because I don't know why, but I did. Right here's my Simplex 4251-20. Up here I've got my Edwards Genesis G1R-HDVM Genesis horn strobe. You can see here it is. And here I've got my G1R-P non-temporal horn. Right here I've got my first Spectral Classic. Right here I've got my second Spectral Classic. This one has a broken tab. I suspect the installer must have just ripped it out of the wall. Right here I've got a Sears smoke alarm. This is 120 volts AC. This was featured in my most popular video ever. So that's pretty cool. And I replaced it with a Kidda smoke detector. Right here I've got a cover for a Wheelock MT. I ordered this thinking that there was a horn in here, but there wasn't. It was a deceiving listing, and I got my money back for it. Right here I have my Spectral Advance P2R. I don't know if you can see that. Right here I have my Wheelock AS. This didn't come with a mounting screw, so I can't mount it, unfortunately. And this is the newer, higher quality version. Right here I have my Mercon FHS-400-RR. Right here I have my Amsico Selecta horn, rebranded by Amsico, as you can see. Right here I have my Edwards Durabell 12 volts DC. So I can't use this on any of my system or anything, unfortunately. But it is a pretty cool novelty to have, and also the gong is a bit loose, so it doesn't work when it's upside down or laying on the bed like this. Right here I have my Edwards 439D 6AWC. The C is for Canadian. Right here I have my first ever fire alarm, which is a cheap Amazon motor bell, and as far as I know, this is based off of the Wheelock motor bells. And as you can see, it's really cheaply made. This one's extremely light compared to this one, which is full metal. Right here I have my Simplex 4903 9217. I got this a few days ago. And right here I have my 4903 9219, and this one is 15 candela, and this one is, I think, 110 candela. Right here I have my Simplex 2901 9806 series B4, and this is the high output version, so it's extremely loud. Right here I have two Simplex 2901 9838s, And these, I got these both in a really good deal on an eBay listing. Right here I've got my Edwards 374A adapter horn. This is 120 volts AC, and here's the weatherproof mounting bracket that came with it. Sorry. Right here I've got my Wheelock 31T 115. These are both 120 volts AC, and I made a system test with these both, if you would like to go check that out. Right here I have my Edwards 885 ALD-AWC newer style adapter horn. This one's 24 volts DC. So you can see there's a comparison of the generations of this alarm. Right here I have a Mercon smoke and heat detector, I believe. This is really dirty and it's addressable, so I can't use it. Right here I have an Edwards heat detector with the small base, and this is also addressable, so sadly I can't use this one. And right here I've got, I believe it's a Secutron smoke detector. This one's also addressable, so I can't use this one. So the 3 smoke detectors I own, I can't use, unfortunately. So that's the entirety of my collection as of right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.